Types of bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram. These diagrams are used for comparing two or more than two sets of data. For example, income and expenditure or import-export for different years, etc. Component bar diagram. The component bar diagrams are also known as charts, are used to compare the sizes of different parts and also shows relationships among different parts. A component bar diagram shows the bar and its subparts into two or more components. For example, the bar might show the total population of children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. The component bar diagram are generally represented in shaded form. Pie diagram. A pie diagram is a circle whose area is proportionally divided among the components and shows as percentage to total. The circle in pie chart is divided into as many parts by drawing straight lines from the center to the circumference. Frequency diagram. Frequency diagrams represent the data that are in the form of grouped frequency distributions. These diagrams are represented by histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, and ogive. Histogram. A histogram is a two-dimensional diagram, consists of rectangles whose area is proportional to the frequency of a variable and whose width is equal to the class interval. The difference between the bar diagram and histogram are that the spacing and the width or the area of bars are arbitrary. A single vertical line could have served the same purpose as a bar of same width. Moreover, in histogram, no space is left between two rectangles, but in a bar diagram, some space must be left between consecutive bars. Bar diagram can be drawn for discrete and continuous variables, whereas the histogram can be drawn only for continuous variables.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.